In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise with Shopify billing, step-by-step setup. To get started, the first thing you need to do is prepare your Wise account properly. Log into Wise and make sure your account is fully verified because an unverified account can create problems when you try to use it for billing. You'll also want to confirm that you have enough funds available to cover your Shopify subscription. It's a good idea to check this in advance so your billing doesn't fail later. Next, open the cards section in Wise and confirm that your Wise card is active. If Wise offers you a virtual card, that can also work well for online purchases, and Wise supports subscriptions on its cards, which is exactly what you need here. Once your Wise account is ready, head over to your Shopify admin and log in. From there, go to Settings, then select Billing. After that, open your billing profile. Inside this area, look for Payment Methods and click Add Payment Method. This is where you'll connect your Wise card to Shopify so it can be used for subscription charges. When the payment method window opens, choose the card payment option, then enter your Wise card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV or CVC. You'll also need to enter the billing address associated with the card. Make sure this matches your card information correctly, because billing address mismatches are a common reason for payment issues. Once everything is filled in, save the payment method. Keep in mind that Shopify requires a supported card that can handle recurring international transactions, so this compatibility matters. If you already have more than one payment method saved in Shopify, go back to Settings, then Billing Profile. Find your Wise card, open its Options menu, and choose Make Primary. Shopify uses the primary payment method for your bills, so this step ensures charges go to the correct card. Before your next billing date, check your Wise balance again. Make sure there's enough money, not only for the subscription itself, but also a little extra for taxes, added Shopify charges, or currency conversion if that applies. Once everything is configured, Shopify will charge your Wise card as a recurring payment, and the charge will come from your Wise balance. After Shopify bills you, open Wise, go to your card transactions, and find the Shopify charge. Review the amount and currency to make sure everything looks correct. You can also monitor recurring card payments in the Recurring Payments section. If Shopify rejects the Wise card, check that the card is active, the balance is sufficient, the card supports the required transaction type, recurring or international payments are not blocked, and the billing address in Shopify matches the one linked to the card. Those are the most important things to verify when billing payments fail.